Good morning, guys. So today is 17th of February, and on 19th I have my anniversary. So we are turning 12 this year. So it's really exciting for us. I am thinking of prepping my skin and my hair for my anniversary because I want to look good from within. So I will be doing some skincare and hair care stuff today. Also, my friends and their husbands are coming up um, to my house for a get together. So I have a lot of things related to like house cleaning, not house cleaning. I have to clean up my room and organize everything in place because they are coming. Some of them are coming to my house for the first time, so I need to be a really good host. Also, Amit is coming tonight, this evening, for that get together, and I'm really looking forward to that because they are my school friends and we'll get to chat for a long time after so long. I mean, along with their husbands and all. So yeah, this day is going to be very eventful. So I thought of doing a vlog, a little vlog for you, and also I'll be showing you my like Pamper skincare and hair care routine. If you want to see that, keep watching this vlog. Right now I'm going to have my tea and I'm going to the lady who actually does my eyebrows and facial stuff. I just called up her and her phone is switched off, so I need to get to her home and see if she is home or not. So I'll be doing that right now. But before that, I'll be having my tea. So I'll talk to you later. Hi guys, so I couldn't go to do my threading. The lady who does my threading is quite busy today. So she told me that she will call me up and call me to her place whenever she is free. So I just did a few works that related to my room cleaning. So I folded up all my clothes that was on the chair, you know which chair, and also I just did this, like I have removed all the curtains from my windows and kept them to my mom to put it in the washing machine. And now I'm doing something really exciting. I'm doing it first time, by the way. So I'm doing this hair spa at home. I've never done a hair spa at home. I'm really lazy to do any kind of skincare or hair care at home. So this is Kuntal Care by Amrutam. So recently they have sent me two products. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. They sent me two products, one face cleanup and then this hair spa. So it's all of it in a bottle, so you need to just put it in your hair, leave it for a few minutes, or I don't know how many minutes, and then you are ready to wash it off with shampoo or something like that. And also the face cleanup is same like that comes in a single bottle, and you need to just put it on your face, massage and then wash off. So it is really convenient for those who are in rush all the time, who are working women. They can't spend too much time on their skincare or hair care regime. So this is the best. So I'm going to try it out for the first time and see what it actually is, what kind of effect it gives my hair. So yeah, I will be sharing you first-hand experience of this one, so be ready. I'm just going to read the instructions. So they say, take it in your hands or in a bowl and massage into dry hair for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it until your hair dries up. Rinse well till water runs clear. So yeah, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to part my hair into a few partitions and then apply it. Alright guys, I've done the hair spa. It's not like your regular hair spa because it's not a cream, like it's kind of a lotion, a liquidy lotion with some stickiness to it. It's left my hair quite dry right now, so all of my hair is not moist or wet, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, let's see how it works. Before that sinks into my hair and it dries up, I'm going to quickly do a little face care. So I'm going to use a facial kit that I got from Fab Bag. I think the company is APS. Let me show you guys. So I also have a Fem bleach, but I'm not going to bleach my face today. So this is the kit. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 steps, including a pre-cleansing and also an eye mask. So I'm going to use it today. It's like a 30-gram product and it comes for 250 rupees. There are PR boxes on my window. So I'm just going to use that. I've used it before once, so I'm going to use it again. Little update. So my hair is completely dry now. It's been 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and it's completely dry. I need to just wash it off. Before that, I'm going to do my facial. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have done 4 steps from the 7-step kit, because number 5 is an eye cream, number 6 is a face mask. So the eye cream and the face mask I have finished, so I'm left with none of them. So I'm just going to use my regular face mask. I'm thinking of either using the brightening face mask or the anti-tan peel-off mask. I think I'm going to go with anti-tan peel-off mask because I have some tanning going on here. So I'm going to use that, and the 7th step and the last step is a serum that I'm going to use after I peel off the mask and remove it from my skin. So yeah, so this is the anti-tan face mask, the peel-off mask. It is by Himalaya. Tan removal orange peel off mask. I really love this mask. This actually works. Not for like you're going to a beach and you come back and you get the tan. It's not for that, but for daily use it's really good. Used that, and I'll keep it for it to dry and then peel off and then take a shower. That's the agenda right now, and then I need to see what else I need to do. So bye for now. So I just got out of the shower and I washed my hair. I thought it would the spa would leave some color on my hair, but it didn't, which is really good. Also, if you hate strong Ayurvedic scents, then you must skip this because it has very strong smell. At first, when you apply it, it smells like phenyl. After washing my hair with another shampoo, it's still smelling like some jari booty kind of smell. And now I'm going to apply this step 7 to my face. This is a almond latte serum. So it protects cells from damage caused by free radicals, improves skin brightness, unveils a clean and illuminating skin. It is a bioenergizer for clear and fresh skin. So I'm going to apply this to my face right now. This much would be perfect. Smells amazing. Smells like sandalwood. It's very lightweight. I just blow dried my hair and it looks so soft. It feels so soft. I really loved how the product worked for my hair. Yeah, I will be doing a full-fledged review on my blog. If you don't know that I'm a blogger, my blog link will be listed in the description box. So you guys go and check out my blog. I've done a lot of reviews there. I have been blogging for the past 6 years, so you'll get a lot of content there. I'm going to review both of the products from Amrutam. My first hand experience is that it works really good on dry hair. My hair is very dry. It makes it very soft and silky. Wait for my review. And the threading lady hasn't called me yet. I think she's going to come at 10 p.m. because she's a little busy today, and tomorrow she isn't available, and I have to do it by tonight because I need to be groomed by the 19th of February. So yeah, that's that. And this nail polish is what I got from New York City Center. So if you haven't checked out my haul and my previous vlog, do check out. Just watching some videos, some vlogs from other vloggers, and I'll be taking some rest right now because my friends are coming in the evening. I need some rest because I have done a lot of things today, so I need some rest. I think I said it millions of times now. So yeah, I'll see you once my friends come over. I will do like a time lapse of our adda. Hi guys, good morning. So I forgot to end the vlog last night because I was very late. So my friends left at 9:30, and at 10 p.m. my threading lady came and I got threading, and if you can see, I have got a lot of cuts here. Every time I go for threading, this happens with me, so I get a lot of cuts here and here. I don't know, but the lady says that my skin is very thin around my lips, so it gets easy cuts. So it's not that she's not careful or not. Yeah, that's me. So I have applied Borolene here, so it's going to go in one day. And tomorrow is my anniversary. I'm really excited. I so wanted to show you my outfit that I got from Myntra, but I couldn't because this vlog is going to be up by tonight and Amit is going to see this. I can't let him see what I got like for myself, so this is going to be a surprise to him. So yeah, I hope you like this small vlog. Just wanted to show you what I am doing in a Pamper Sunday. So yeah, that's the point of this vlog. I'll be soon seeing you in one of my vlogs or videos. I think I'm going to shoot a makeup tutorial today. Not sure. Bye for now. I'll see you soon.